So now I would like to ask Vedanti Ben. She is Baba's very powerful, fearless Shiv Shakti, very courageous. So can you share your secret with us so at least we can move forward very fast in this spiritual journey?
Om Shanti. For fast effort, I also like to share 3 points which will make us courageous. The 3 things is past, present, and future. The first step, past is past. It finished. Whatever happened, previous birth or this birth, it finished. We need to clear it with very powerful yoga. And present. Every step we need to check and change quick. We should not wait for tomorrow that, okay, it's okay, tomorrow I'll change. Today, now. Now or never, do or die. I have to do. That we have to keep very strong thought within the self. Because time is very short. So much time has gone off confluence age and little time has remained. We have to be very strict within the self. And the third thing, future. We all aware that we have to become perfect, divine, royal deity. But for that, we need to experience it now, and now. So, we have to create that divine vision and we need to practically experience it now. But we have to create that powerful thought within that now I want to do it, now I want to give experience other, and I think when you will create that strong and powerful thought, with that courage, every moment, everything will be in your favor. In a 1 minute, I want to share. Just last month, my traveling was in the flight for 9 hours. And I decided that in this flight, I want to give them experience, which Baba giving me. I started to share with one air hostess that today I have a gift for you. Like this, I have a gift for you. She said, really? I said, not only for you, all your staff, how many they are? It was a big flight, so 15, even pilot. I said, okay. Should I bring them one by one to you? I said, you decide. You take me or you bring. She brought 3 one by one to me, slowly. Everybody was wondering, who is this one? In 3rd class, not economy class, it's not business class even. Economy class is simple person sitting. What's happening? And then she decided to move me everywhere, all the people here and there. And I gave gift to all this stuff. After 1 hour, slowly, they were coming to know more. All 9 hours gone in the divine royal experience, which I never done it. But because of that courage, I want to do it today. I want to give them that experience. And when the time came to come out from the flight, all the 12 air hostesses together came and gave me thanks, card of thanks, and gave me nice gift, the veil. And everyone was wondering, And they came near to doors, put me in the wheelchair. And outside somebody was standing, she said in Nairobi, "Oh, after 2 weeks you have come back, welcome." So now air hostess think that this lady, everybody knowing here in Kenya. So they wonder. And I was in intoxication, Baba. People need experience of Om to Om Shanti. We need that courage wherever we go in the world. Om Shanti.